invincible. Oops.
Stop.
Not sure why that was.
Well.
Sorry about that. Good morning and welcome to MIGHTYOX Trading. Happy Monday. I hope everyone's had a nice weekend and ready for a great week. It is a big week with CPI, PPI, SpaceX IPO, and contract roll coming up at the end of the week. Hey, Jake. Hey, Fair. How you guys doing today? So let's look at the markets overnight. We've been rising up after our huge fall on Friday. Absolutely just free fall. We were free falling. You can see our low of the day was really the open. 73.68. ES got all the way up to 73.57. So 89 points in range. NQ's probably going to be harder for me to do the math on. 822 for the low, 437 for the high. So that's not too bad. 615 points. No, 585 points. There we go. Copper with a nice rise up. About 300 ticks. Ultra bond, about 3/4 of a point. Gold's been kind of rangy. Actually dipped below 43. Looks like it has about 85 points in range. Crude oil's been dumping. Shouldn't dump crude. Causes an ecological catastrophe. And looks like we got about 4 points in range there. Bitcoin, after bottoming out around 60, has made its way back up to above 63. So maybe it finally found the bottom. We'll see. But that's where we sit standing. Whatever body posture you're choosing to take today, we'll see what we can get. Minute here. I'm scheduling a video on my other channel. Hey, Crypticon, how you doing? Sleepy? Have a late night? That's right. I forgot you guys are getting some bad storms up that way. We're just getting regular rain down here a little bit. It was a dark and stormy night. It's crude bouncing a little. NQ's a little sideways here over the last 15 minutes or so. ATR is 15, which is a lot for a Monday morning at this time. I don't think we have any news today. All the news is concentrated later in the week. Let's look. No, no news today. Ooh, crude running there. That's a nice little pop. Feels like this might want to continue up, but I don't know. Feels like since the stream started, the price action has just like died. Jerks. Q trying to get back above 29,400. There's a little burst up. Do I sound okay, guys? I have the mic at a slightly different spot. Because my desk is filled with baseball cards right now. Okay, good. I was hoping it wouldn't be any change, but these things can be weird. Probably have 2,000 cards sitting here on my desk that I need to corral later on. Yes, but that's no different. Cryptocon, you tell me that all the time. And now he could be coming down. Down, 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 down. If I should get some charts ready here. Oh, bounce. We're still rising. And falling. Just kind of hanging here again. Which way are we going? Kind of boring so far. Our ATR still around 15, so we're kind of, I mean, it's just weird right now. We're still sideways here. All right, Crypticon. We're up to 421. Just a grind up here.
everyone! It's time to gore the like button.
I'm bored. Let's play tic-tac-toe. No. Patience is a virtue when you're trading. What? What are you talking about, Jake? What are we whatting? What are we whatting or waiting or whatting or whatting and waiting? I don't know how we would do that exactly, though. I was joking around. I mean, it would be fun to do, but I'm not sure how we would do that. Uh, I haven't been to a doctor in 6 years. No, not yet. I got to talk to Shane about that. It's about getting stuff set up there. But we will get something set up there soon. Sorry to get your hopes up. There's a pullback. I'll look to see if there's a way to set that all up. I don't know about Monopoly and all that, but I bet you there might be a battleship type game available. We'll look at it. I think it could be a fun addition if we can get the right games and stuff. And hopefully the community keeps growing too. So I was right. This week did rise up, and we just hit a new high a day, 443. And we're still rising up. ASK, how are you? The weekend was okay. Did a lot of baseball card stuff. Slept a bunch. Did some business planning. My health is okay. Just continuing this move up now. So we stalled a little and then the move up continued. We're moving on up to the deluxe apartment in the sky. Oh wow, really popping now. Trying to get to it back to 29,500. Hey, Graybeard, how are you? Been a while. I've been doing all right. Where you been hiding out? Wow. Okay. Sounds relaxing. I mean, I'm not sure it'll be relaxing for me. I'm not sure how comfortable I'll be. Especially since I don't know how to swim if something goes wrong. I got in late. Short. Is it showing? Is it showing? Is it showing? Yes, it is. Good. There it goes. I got greedy, thinking it wanted to continue down. 62. There we go. Target hit. We start the morning off with a 9-point trade on two micro contracts. Oh, am I not connected to my funded futures? Oops. Go. Okay. I'm just, I think of the fact of, what happens if the boat, something happens to the boat, gets attacked by sharks, starts on fire, huge wave knocks you over. Oh, I'm got that. I'm glad I got out where I did. Look at that bounce right back up. And maybe coming right back down.
Hey everyone! It's time to gore the like button.
Guess that's kind of like trading without a stop loss, Graybeard. Hey, John, good morning. Purple candle quickly whipped down there, but bounced right back up. No signs that it wants to have a sustained move down here. I did not trade last night. I should have, but I did not. I dozed off, and then I was trying to figure out how to get out of this mountain, underneath this mountain of baseball cards. All right, I'm interested in this purple candle. If it stays purple, Eh, apparently not. I mean, it stayed purple, but looks like it's bouncing right back up on me. Oh, wow. Holy heck. Alrighty then. Wow. Holy. It blew through my stop by 16 points. Ouch. Mother. My stop was at my my stop was at 480 and it didn't stop me till 496. That should have been a $20 well, yeah, about a $30 loss, and it ended up being almost over $100 loss. AG.
Order submitted.
Trying a short. See if we can get back something of what we lost.
Order filled.
There we go. There's a win. Got back 10 points. I don't see any news that caused that weird spike there. Looks like we're dripping down. Drip, 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 drip. Sorry, G. I saw your email yesterday, but forgot to respond to it. Still coming down, so we could have got more out of this trade, but I'm not upset. A little bouncy here. Mind if folks will be on tonight for Monday Night Ox. Starting at 7:30 Eastern Time for 2 hours of great Asia trading action. Hey, JJR. Good morning. It was all right. Opened a lot of baseball cards. Anyway, we also have CPI this week, G. And SpaceX IPO. I ripped the whole case of Bowman mega boxes, John.
Order submitted.
You're gonna bounce on me. You're gonna bounce on me, aren't you? Come on down. Bouncing up on me? Really? Go back down.
Order
There we
failed.
go. Target hit. 11.5 points on that trade on 2 micros. And we've almost erased that red from that weird spike. Uh, there wasn't any real huge bangers. It was a nice rip. And with Bowman, it's a lot of prospect stuff. So something that's not real huge now could be in a couple of years. The oddest thing that happened, though, John, because every case is supposed to have a case hit in it. I got two case hits, but of the exact same card. Trey Savage Mega Futures. I did pull a Kevin McGonigal fuchsia number to 150. That one's good. And I got a Phillies auto of Gage Wood. He's a good prospect for the Phillies. Bounced right back up there, so the trading gods taketh away earlier just gave to me because that did not go much further than my target. As a matter of fact, where my target was, it would not have hit on regular NQ. It hit it on the on MNQ though. Yeah, the Savage. Yeah, and he's doing pretty well this year. His ERA is like 3.12. Card's only worth about $30. I mean, I shouldn't say only. It's a good, good, and I got two of them. Still not sure how that happened. Bouncing back up here. Trying again. So want to come down, maybe. Purple candle. Are we going to break the 9? I've heard of that movie. I don't watch a lot of movies.
Order submitted.
In late again, as usual. And I think I'm going to get stopped on this one. So it's more iffy. Maybe not. Come on down, maybe. Struggling. Bounces. Cannot get through a couple of higher time frame EMAs there.
Order filled.
Yep, stop me out. Damn it. Should have taken it off. Just about the top of the hour. First hour moved kind of fast. Wow, and popping back up to 500. Our high was that weird pop earlier at 510. Getting a double bell. And we have a new high day, 518. Still rising. I see NQ arising. I see profits on the way. Google placed an Intel order for more than 3 million TPUs. Apparently, that's what's driving this pop. Pull back here, possibly. Maybe not. Everyone's sleeping in today. Apparently, it's 25 minutes to the bell. We have no USC, no plat, no ace. No Teo. Ah, there's USC. Good morning. How was the weekend? It's amazing how addicting that gets.
Order submitted.
Hey, Ace. Oh, this is gonna stop me out too.
Order filled.
Dang. Another new high there, 544. And still higher. This continues to rise up. But this is running here now. Maybe a pullback finally. Let's see if we get it. We did not get out of the shading. Nope, not a valid trade for me. Now it is.
Order submitted.
We'll try it. There we go. Oh. Don't bounce on me there. Come on. Man, I should have listened to myself. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Wow, I'm an idiot. Come on back down. I was waiting for the valid entry, which is possibly this candle. I wouldn't be sweating right now. Nope, went back to green. Red, green, red, green, red, green. Come on. Oh, it's going to stop me out.
Order
That was
filled.
me not following my plan and taking the punishment for it. Oh, God. I'm going to stop trading because I'm just going to keep losing right now. Hey, Skeletor, how you doing? Hey, Solid. All right. This is a possible short.
Order submitted.
This doesn't want to drop for me. Hey, Platt, good to see you. Still doesn't want to drop. Man. And it's going to bounce. You've got to be kidding me here. You're killing me, Smalls. There we go. Now we're getting some moves. Moves like Jagga. Ah, man, bounce, really? Damn it. Should have taken it. Got greedy, I guess. I thought it wanted to get down to the 9 on the 5, but apparently not. And here it comes again. Ooh. Got you if you can. Woo-hoo. It's gonna bounce off on me and take me out. I could have. Oh. I'm not having a good day. Come on back down. You know you want to. You know you wanna.
Order filled.
Stopped out. Yes. Gave back 15 points because I tried for more. And rising up, hit 600.
Order submitted.
Yeah, what do we think? First 5 minute candle. Uh, my team's the 76ers, although I don't follow basketball that closely. Eh, There we go. Got some movement here now. Taking it off there. I'll take 16 points. I mean, I'm okay with football too. I just never got into basketball or even hockey. Baseball's unique. It's not one team trying to put a ball, a puck, or whatever into the other team's end zone, basket, whatever. It's I don't know. Baseball just what I like. Ms. Melody is missing.
Two minutes till the bell.
You finally continue down to the 9 on the 5. Welcome back, Crypt. I forgot to get you your info, Ace, over the weekend. I will get it to you today sometime. Melody's having issues with tech gremlins. She shouldn't have fed him after midnight. Okie dokie. You gotta send it by email or text. Oh, and I heard from RJ. We'll talk about that after the mail. He's doing all right. He's had some issues. He never meant to disappear, but life's gotten in the way. He tore up his knee playing baseball, and there's just been some other things going on. But he plans on stopping in possibly later this week. But he has the grandkids till Wednesday. We start off with a pop up. Is Intel part of the Dow? I don't remember. But Intel had good news. There's a pop. There's a blue candle. But I didn't trust it. Big candle on that first 1 minute, 41 points. I don't know. Okay. Makes sense. Well, I guess, I mean, NVIDIA's buying Intel chips, so that's part of the news too. But, ooh, look at this whoosh down here, guys. There's our purple. Morning, Teo. Still falling. So it looks like those that picked red are going to be, well, I don't know. ES is actually green right now, well, for the 5 minute candle. That's interesting. And Q's red, ES green. Oh, you're having a good Monday. Ace. Oh, okay. Yep, we're down 91 points since the open. I think we're going to close red. The first 5 minute candle, I mean. Candle's going to close down over 100 points. Now we bounce.
Order submitted.
And that went up 10, and that was it. Maybe more. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I think 80, 81, 80. There we go. Come on. loss. Oh, it pops right back up. Up, down. What am I doing wrong? And that's going to be too big for me to take. All right, Crypt. Go enjoy your PS5.
Order submitted.
Am I really going to be wrong on every trade today? Looks like that's a yes. Coming back. Come on, baby. There we go. Come on up. Come on, break that 9. Break it. Break it. Break it. Ah, didn't notice a 100 EMA on the 1 or on the 5 sitting there. It's 71.
Order failed.
All right, got that one. 12 points. No, 13 points. Didn't go much further. At least yet. Oh, there we go. There it pops. So it's gaining almost everything it lost back, or it's trying to. Back, it's playing with 29,500. Wow, big pop. We're back up 100 points on this 5-minute candle. And we are now back above where we opened the day, the session, whatever. So it's giving back a little bit now. Just took a win on Top Step for 93 bucks. I didn't really trust that candle, that red candle you see floating there. So I tried it on Top Step, 2 micros, and quickly shot down for me. So now I wish I had taken that on the one on red one, but that's okay. See how it bounced right back up. That's why I didn't trust it. I had a feeling it might bounce or continue going, but and down. It's kind of yo-yoing. Okay, so our orb is closed. We're pushing up. High of the day, 604 quarter. That's beautiful, JJR. Excellent trade. Breaks 500 to the downside.
Order submitted.
Shorting here, but it's following me up. What's my ATR? 37. Holy crap. I didn't realize how big the ATR was, but it makes sense. How far did that go down? 19 points. Come on.
Order filled.
There we go. 34 points. 99 to 65 on that trade. We're coming back. Back under $100 in red. And look at that bounce. Trying to bounce back up here. It's just kind of a no man's land for me. It's 5 minute chart tells me it wants to come down. 1 minute chart tells me it wants to come up. So I decided to stay out. And the 5 minute chart was the right one. Coming down we are. Not sure why I just talked like Yoda. And there's a blue candle bounce that wants me to get back in here. Big candle, 50 points. ATR is up to 43. That's getting smacked back down. Guys, have you guys heard of plus 500? So push it back up here. They're a futures and prediction markets app. They're an official partner of the Chicago Bulls. They have 33 plus million registered customers. And they just reached out to me wanting to partner. Plus 500. Go to plus500.com. They reached out to me wanting to partner. I'm an ox and I often gift people. Well, I mean, they say uh, if I'm open to it, they'll love to share a few tailored ideas and explore if there's a fit. Put it that way. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That Top Step, that name rings a bell with Top Step, which kind of bothers me because I don't like Top Step. Yeah, that concerns me too. That's what I was thinking that's where I knew that name from. Uh, I don't want to be in business with Michael Patak other than being a trader. He's already cut me once as an affiliate. But that said, I guess there's no harm in hearing what this guy has to say. Big drop here, drops below 400. Uh, Beautiful, JJR. Great job. This is down 144 points in 5 minutes. I better make sure there wasn't news. Didn't have the news up. I was looking at that email. Saudi Arabia. Sirens sounded earlier in the day were precautionary when on a missile from Yemen near the border. Prince Sultan Air Base was not attacked. Israel's prime minister will hold a security cabinet meeting tonight at 9 p.m. local time. This green candle, single bell, double bell, and it finished out of the shading, so we went long. Come on, baby. Ah, where did it pop up to? Three, right? 387. Struggling. And I got a bad fill on that by like 5 points. There we go. Boom. 72 to 400. That was 28 points, 28 and a half points. We're tracking toward green. Still red, though. Big, big candles here. On the 5. We went down 151 points for backup 60 here. And there's the reject off the 9. So glad I got out where I did. Didn't try and get greedy. But it might be trying to push up here again. I needed to break the 9, it is a blue candle. It's broken the 9 for now. It's still got 30 seconds on it. You can see it fading back in and out, under, over, side to side. Ooh, now it goes up to 100 EMA. It's kind of stopped. No, breaks that as well. It's another big candle. 35 points. I don't know if I trust it based on the 5-minute RSI. Ooh, look at it giving back there. Got under the 9 before the candle closed. And back to red. Did not make me make a decision there. Excellent USC. Excellent. Was that on Nuggets or other setups? Missed an entry there at that little green candle floating below the 9. Would have been a nice trade. Hey, Ron. You're late this morning. How are you? Oh, vacation? Come back down. It's fighting 400. Yes, yes, you did. World Series of Poker. Whoa, Ace. Whoa, that's beautiful. Holy wowzers. Guys, get ready for a beautiful picture as soon as I find my software. There it is. That is stunning, Ace. Oops. Sorry, didn't mean to ring the bell again. What did I just do? Whoops. Guys, sorry, I accidentally hit something that made everything go funky. There we go. So trying to rise up here, but kind of stalled. Up here's Melody. Good morning.
Good morning. Finally made it.
Fought the gremlins and won, huh?
I guess if you could call it that. No, I just I don't know. I've got four custom coded indicators that I have on my chart that I'm fully licensed for, but the licensing just quit working today. So
Huh.
I had to figure that out. And these are my own. These are my own indicators and my own licensing. So I don't know why it decided I couldn't use them. I don't even license them to anyone else. It's so wild. But anyway, we're up. My indicators are mostly working. My charts are mostly running, and yeah, we should be good.
Excellent.
So, what did I miss? Anything fun this morning?
Well, I was in a short earlier, and all of a sudden we had a big spike up to the point that it spiked up so quickly that it slipped my stop by 16 points. What should have been a $30 loss was a $100 loss.
Yikes.
Yeah, so I've been fighting back from that, and I'm within like 5 hours of going back to green.
Hey, oh, that's awesome.
Our ATO,
Dang. I mean,
yeah,
that just sucks.
and our ATR is 43 right now, so we've been moving. We've had 3 different 5-minute candles that have been over 100 points since the open.
Wow. Wow. Yeah, that's crazy. I feel like I just hope that's not the norm since we moved like so much on Friday.
Well, we are up. I mean, we're up from the lows of Friday by like 600 points overall from last night till now. And this
So,
is an absolutely huge week. CPI, PPI, SpaceX IPO, and then contract roll at the end of the week.
oh yeah, yep. Yeah, it's going to be one of those weeks. I mean, that usually at least means higher volume, which is better
Yeah,
for some people.
and of course FOMC looming next week.
So I did do some tweaking to the ATM that I have on this indicator.
Okay.
Um, so I'll be able to test that this week. I basically left almost everything the same. I increased the first target by a few ticks, and then I increased the stop loss from 60 ticks to 90 ticks. And no, I have no reason why other than I didn't want to go even points. So I think 90 ticks is like, let's see, 22 and a half points. So I thought maybe a stop wouldn't get run. I don't know. I'm just trying to make stuff up as I go mostly, but that'll be what I run this week.
Sounds like a good plan. Good experiment. See how it goes.
Yeah.
I meant to do some back testing this weekend on some things, but I ended up getting buried under a mountain of baseball cards and never got to it.
Oh shoot. That's cool though.
Did a full case of Bowman mega boxes.
How many cards is that? There's a
42.
lot in mega boxes.
Bowman's are not that many. It's 42 cards per box, so about
Okay.
840 cards.
Okay.
Then I
That's
did
still a
one.
pretty good chunk.
Did one other video besides that. So I ended up being about 1,000 cards.
Nice. Did you complete any sets with it?
Um, Actually, these sets were already completed, except for the special mojos that are in the mega boxes. I think I completed that one, but I have to actually sort them. But
Nice.
I actually did this as a profit challenge series, so I got to go in and figure out the values of all the major cards pulled. And it's a 5-part series to see if you can make a profit off the
Okay.
case.
Oppa breaking, because I know breakers have hit or miss making money and stuff off breaking boxes. But that's my favorite part though. I just like opening cards and then I want to give them to someone else to figure out what to do with them.
Yeah, I'm working on that because I literally have probably 200,000 cards in boxes sitting here that need sorted. I hate sorting cards.
It sounds like a good job for like a 10 or 12-year-old looking for summer work. Mostly just because you can pay them less, but they're still happy.
Teo, if you're still here, make sure you check Slack, please. We have a new prop firm that we're promoting. Next gen. I mean, it's not new. It's new to me, new to us, or whatever. But I mean, they've been around a little while. Oh yeah, 60 has been coming down, and pretty much without the bumps that we've seen on ES and NQ. Yeah, they're 80% off with, and you also get a free reset with eval purchase right now. And we have some to give away. I'm going to be doing a giveaway on Twitter. I'm going to be doing a giveaway on Discord. I'm going to be doing a giveaway on Facebook, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway for the email subscribers. They gave me 10 counts to give away.
Fun. I always thought it was interesting because there was a next gen and that website still exists.
Order submitted.
I think it's defunct and they've closed down.
Yeah, and that's actually why I hesitated with these guys. I knew about them, but I hesitated because I was confused for a bit.
Yeah, us too. I was like, wait, are they back? And
Order
then now it's
filled.
totally different.
I just took 18 points there, and I believe that just put me back to green. Let me look. Yes, we are back to green.
Awesome.
I actually think this has been three next gens now, because I think there was two that came out at the same time. There was one with a T and one without a T, and I think they've both gone away. And then this one also has no T. It's just NEXGEN. It's just, I don't know why that name's so popular, and I'm glad I got out where I did there. That dropped right back down.
I did a thing where I updated my NinjaTrader. Don't recommend it. And they changed the font. Like the whole master world font on NinjaTrader is not Arial anymore, which isn't a big deal. It's totally readable, but like, man, I get messed up when I've looked at something for that long and then it changes. So if you haven't updated your Ninja, be aware.
Yeah, I don't update Ninja unless I end up being forced to. Like there's
Yeah.
some sort of major upgrade, like when they bought Tradeovate. In order to get Tradeovate to work with Ninja, you had to go to the newest version. So I think that might be the last time I updated it.
Well, I just do that thing of when it's broken, I try updating it to see if it fixes it. Never fixes it. So I don't know why I keep doing that. But I think this one I might actually roll back just because I think it might mess with some indicators that I've got. So
Is that what
I'll
caused your
probably do that.
licensing issue?
No, because I updated to try to fix the licensing issue
Oh, okay.
and
Gotcha.
that didn't work. The only thing I can think of is I created a new shortcut to run NinjaTrader as high priority, which basically just means it gets my resources first. But I don't know, that shouldn't break anything. But when I
Yeah.
tried to log in this morning, it didn't work. So I don't know, I'll see. I'll roll it back. It could just be sometimes I feel like NinjaTrader just is mad some days and
Yeah.
doesn't want to work. Now this is getting a little choppy here.
Yeah, very choppy.
Which it's times like these that just eats this particular indicator alive. So
Now, you said it has a chop filter. Have you applied that, or doesn't it help?
well, I just thought about that and I forgot to change it. So it is on, but it's clearly very, very loose. So might even pull that up.
Nice pop, 36 points on this 1 minute candle, 40 points on this 1 minute candle. ATR still sitting at 43.
I feel like they're trying to make a push up.
Yeah. Feels almost like it wants to do the opposite of Friday. Just go up, up, up. I mean, obviously we've pulled down here at the open, but I think we had a couple of up moves on Friday, shortly after the open. So
Yeah.
yeah, look at this rise back up to 520. Our high, which is actually right before the bell, was 604. The chart on the left is actually Melody. She's the one using the Heikinashi. Jake.
Yes. Sorry, that's me. I actually do like it sometimes on other stuff, but I have a really hard time. Like, I need to know when or where the candle closes. And this one does have little white dots. Those dots are supposed to represent the place that the actual candle closed. So combining those two, I do really like it. Smooths things out, but I still have an idea where stuff ends. Stuck at 500 a bit.
The dots. Jake wants to know if the dots are custom or standard with
They,
the data type.
they are custom, and actually they're part of this indicator, and the Higurashi is also part of the indicator. It's like an overlay. So the chart I have is just a 52 range, and then the indicator writes it to overlay the Higurashi over it. So yeah, it's cool. It's a cool function. I can't say that I came up with it, but I do really appreciate it.
Beautiful, JJR. Beautiful work.
You're welcome, Jake. Now that I'm paying attention to the chat, I can see you. Sometimes it just gets scrolled off my screen and then I forget.
Definitely powerful to the upside here now. And she does read the chat when she has time. I mean, both of us, charts come before chat.
I'm still getting used to my multi-screen setup that I've got too. But yeah. Ideally, I'll just be trading in VR someday.
Rocketing up to 548.
There's a little move up with gusto.
$5.75. Purple candle coming down. And purple went away. Looks like this might end up working. I didn't take it. It's stripping down toward the 9 on the 1. So didn't notice it, but 5 candles ago we did get within one tick of the high of the day. Now we're within 2 points of high of the day, or we were for a second. That's on NQ. ES is nowhere near its high.
Can't say I love being in a long at this spot area. Some people like that, Ace.
See, I was here thinking it, and I didn't say it. Whip it.
Glad to
Whip
be of
it good.
service.
Order submitted.
Trying a short. Oh, am I going? I'm going against you.
Nope, I'm actually about to enter short if
Okay.
this candle does it.
Boom. Wow, boomer.
Quick.
Order filled.
I pulled out 19 points. Probably gonna regret not staying in because it's still going down. I gotta, yeah, I definitely regret not staying in there, but it's okay. Thank you, thank you. So this might be a double top situation. I mean, see if it continues downward. Big bounce here, though. Maybe we're heading right back up. Wow, big pop.
Go right back up, right back to the top.
And there's a new high day. 608, 608 half. 611.
Nice.
Just continuing to go. And really going.
There's some pretty big bodies on these candles. And there's some wicks too, but
Not that we're judging. We're all about candle body positivity here.
always.
You missed what, Ace? Ace missed the whipping comment. Sorry, Ace. She said some people like that, Ace. And I said, whip it. Whip it good. There's no way we get back to 30,000 today, right?
Of course not. Man, I don't really have any indicators that show volume. I should probably do that. Variation of volume, day over day kind of stuff. I'm just waiting. I'm going to talk about it till someone tells me exactly what indicator that is, because I'm sure it exists. Probably an average daily something. Average daily, average daily volume would be a thing. I don't know. It just feels like things are moving differently. You know what? I upgraded my Ninja, or I updated my Ninja Trader, and the other thing is, it moves differently. So I think that's what I'm seeing. It feels like it's moving really fast up and down, like 1 or 2 ticks. And I think before I just wasn't seeing that because it was leggy. Not an endorsement to update your Ninja. Because I'm still pretty serious about rolling back.
Order filled.
I came down real quick and then bounced real quick. I ended up getting 7 points off of it, but could have got more, but it wasn't fast enough. It may still come back down. This might just be a little bounce, but yep, there it goes.
Yeah, Ace, there's a way to roll back updates. When I figure it out, I'll let you know. I haven't done it before, but I do know there's a way to do it because I know it'll break some people's indicators completely, which doesn't make any sense, but happens.
There is on TradingView a volume weighted moving average.
That would make sense, maybe. I bet you could put moving averages on volume indicators too, which is probably what that. Yeah.
And right back up. So glad I got out with that out of that trade word. Got out.
Hmm.
I just made a new high again, 658. Thank you, MR. Welcome. How was the Netherlands? ES is trying to get back to its high day. Its high day is 74, 71, 75. It's at 74, 64, 50. It's been going all right. Up and down still. I was red for a while, got back to green. Although part of that was the market smacking me with a surprise. Then again, it tries to bounce at the 9. And it does for a new high, 666.
Ooh, scary.
Now 669. I will say I expected a bit of a recovery today from Friday. I don't think I expected this much of a recovery from Friday.
I agree. And honestly, what's weird is just like all these moves are happening, some of them without catalysts, and then they're really big. Like these are big moves. And so you would think that recovery would be necessary kind of to keep it moving in any direction, but it just moves without it.
Hey, trade current, not yet. Working on it. Purple Foreman. ATR has fallen. It's gone down to 26. See if it get once 700. So our low of the day was 822 quarter. Sorry, 28 822 quarter. High now 694. So 694 and 178. Basically, we're almost at 900 points up on this candle, on this daily candle.
Well, it can't even get to 700. Kind of weird.
There it
There
goes.
it goes.
I just had to shame it first.
Order submitted.
Trying the short red candle outside of it. I mean, not shaded. Let's see if it bounces off 700 for a small win. Or it bounces up and touches it again. It doesn't look like it's short. It wants to go down here. Nope, it's bouncing now. Kind of getting hit. It hits 700 again and bounces back down off of it.
Order
Nope,
filled.
stopped out. Dang it. I had a feeling I should have got out there. There, first up to 7-Eleven. Grabs a Slurpee. That's Ninja Trader Crypticon. That's just an ATM, Crypticon. You set up an ATM and it'll show your targets and your stop on the chart.
And if you're talking about these like ticks and dollar things, that is an indicator called order line decorator. It's free. It is free. I'm not sure where to find it, but I could put it in the Discord maybe.
Thank you, Ron. Appreciate it.
Hey everyone! It's time to gore the like button.
For 20 minutes until London closes. Bounce up.
To the moon.
Order line decorator, Crypticon. No, order. ORDER line decorator. Hey, Jay. It's almost afternoon for you.
Okay. I uploaded what I got. So it looks like the person who made this doesn't actually update it anymore and may or may not have taken it off of the NinjaTrader ecosystem app share. But I went ahead and put the zip that I've got. Like I said, again, it's free. It's pretty low weight. Doesn't mess with your Ninja too much.
Where did you put it?
Under Trader Talk.
Trader Talk crypt. Just make the order line look prettier.
There. Now you can see all the way, but all the way to the left it shows what your target 1, 2, 3, whatever it is. And then ticks and dollars. And you can change this. I think you can show like percentage of account and then maybe one other thing. Pairs it up too, so you have stop one and target one, and then you can kind of see what lines up with what. If you do use multiples that are separate.
And we found a top. It's really struggling here. Now we're seeing some red movement down. Maybe not. Bounce back
Skeletor,
up.
are we the same person? I feel like we use a lot of the same stuff. It's funny.
You need to do some tickets? Are you a cop? Or have a good one, Skeletor. Crypticon, if you put on 12 contracts, I'm going to smack you. Thought we got out of that habit. Yeah, this short here. Well, thanks, Tradeify. So over the weekend, Tradeify had a security breach and people were able to send out a phishing email. Now I did not, of course, click on the phishing email, but apparently whatever allowed these people to get into Tradeify's information, now my email address along with my name, address, and phone number have been found on the dark web.
Dang. Welcome. It's nice being here. My stuff's all been on there too. I've gotten that.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I'm sure that my older email addresses are on, but this is the first time my MightyOX trading at Gmail address has been, that I've been alerted to it, gotten on there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's always a bummer because you just, get tons of junk mail.
I doubt I could get mott.com. Let's see what mott.com is. And Q's just kind of sideways here. Looking like it wants to come down, but keeps popping up to scare me, so I don't. Mott.com is some sort of phone store. Oh, Motorola. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get that. Yeah, Motorola. Mott.com redirects to Motorola.com. So yeah, I don't think I got a chance for that. I'll buy your stock if you give me Mott.com. So we have a nice pullback here finally. 743 ended up being our high. We've pulled back to 700. I do have MightyOxTrading.com, by the way. I think. I have several different variations of Mighty Ox.
I'll let you in on a secret. You don't have MightyOxTrading.com, but you do have Mighty-Ox-Trading.com.
What's the other one I have, though? I can't remember what. Oh. I used to have MightyOxTrading.com, and then I let it expire.
Ah,
Oh, that's
well,
right.
you get
That's
it.
right. That's right. I have MightyOx.trading.
Ah, there you go.
Wow, look at this bounce again. Just as we thought it was coming down.
What's this?
Huh?
Okay.
Okay, I can get MIGHTYOX trading again. I should probably do that so someone else does not get it. What happened, MR? Ouch, MR. Ouch. Sorry to hear that, man. Ooh, big move down. Wow, that was a big move. Quick.
If you can't tell by my messed up screen, my ninja's messed up.
And now we're moving down hard. We dropped 100 points now in about 10 minutes.
the way back to 600, it looks like.
That was really quick. Have a great day, USC. Yep. As we watch the market fall, so are the days of our lives. We have reached the end of our time together today. So
Yes. It was a short one for me, but always glad to be here with you guys. Hopefully your computers last a lot better than mine did today, and you have a wonderful, wonderful afternoon.
And I'll be back tonight. That's right, I forgot. I will be back tonight for Monday Night Ox. So I'll see you then. We'll both see you tomorrow morning. Have a great rest of your day.